All right, so you've got a Sennheiser gaming headset with the little knobby wheel on the side to turn the volume up and down, and it's acting up. Scratchy, one ear gets louder and quieter, never works right. My opinion, they should have never included this, but at any rate, we're gonna fix it today and just disable this wheel altogether so it acts like a normal pair of headphones and it's just full blast all the time. So step one, we got to remove the ear muff on the side of the headset with the volume knob. And actually, before we even do that, we can just remove this and get it out of our way. Next, grab this ear muff and just literally pull out. It feels like you're going to break it, but you're not. Pull out, pop off the ear muff. And we got to remove, looks like 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5th one right here is a little bit different. So when you take them apart, keep that one separate, or at least note that it's different. And when you go back together, put it in the right spot. Yeah, let me do that real quick. All right, so we've got the screws out and we needed to remove this piece right here. It should just lift right out. Be careful, there's obviously a wire attached. Don't pull too hard. This board right here is what we're after. And it quite literally is, well, these little pins right here. I'm gonna show you what to do. We need to solder bridge the last 3 on the left of those pins. So let me get set up and we'll get it done. And while you're in here, this little rubber thing, don't forget it can fall out. It goes right in this little hole right here, and it's really just like a vibration reduction kind of part. But make sure when you put it back together, it sits in there just like that. That's it. So solder bridge the left 3 posts together, and that essentially just bypasses the potentiometer, the volume knob entirely. This will work on the PC360, the PC37X, the Game 1, which we've got right here, and undoubtedly a handful of others. I mean, the board itself says PC350 on it, so I'm assuming that one too. Oh, and if you haven't already done so, get yourself a mic muff. It'll do your friends a favor. You'll probably never know the difference, but worth it. Trust me. Reverse order to assemble, and you're done. Thanks for watching.